Good morning, my wonderful students. In previous video, we learned about harvesting. Today, we will learn how to store grains for future use. We will also study about animal husbandry. Students, क्रॉप को हार्वेस्ट करने के बाद उसको लंबे समय तक स्टोर करना होता है, जिससे कि हम फ्यूचर में ग्रेन का यूज कुछ दिनों बाद भी कर सकते हैं. We need to store harvested grains for long time in such a way that the grains are not destroyed. They are stored very carefully and we also make sure that the grains are safe from moisture, insects, rats and microorganisms. Let us now understand why grains are dried before storing them for future use. Students, harvested grains have moisture and if harvested grains are stored before drying, then grains may be spoiled by organisms. So, the grains will become unfit for use. Hence, before storing, grains are dried in the sun to reduce moisture present in grains. Drying of grains protects the grain from insect, pests, bacteria and fungi. Let us learn how grains are stored. Farmers store grains in jute bags or metallic bins, and students, large quantity of grains are stored in silos and granaries. Now, let us understand how food grains are protected. Students, for storing food grains at home, dried neem leaves are used for protection of food grains. In big godams, chemical treatments are done to protect large quantities of grains. Now, let us study the last topic of this chapter, animal husbandry. Students, like plants, animals also provide us different kind of food. For example, many people living in coastal areas consume fish as a major part of their diet. We have seen that the process of crop production involves a number of steps like selection of seeds, sowing, etc. Similarly, animals reared at home or in farms have to be provided with proper food, shelter and care. When this is done on large scale, it is called animal husbandry. Now let me check, student, what you have learned today. Your questions are: question 1. Which of the following is used to preserve food grains at home? Option A, spinach leaves. Option B, curry leaves. Option C, neem leaves. And option D, tulsi. Right answer is neem leaves. Question 2. Large quantity of grains are stored in option A, jute bags. Option B, silos and granaries. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. And your correct answer is option B, silos and granary. Question 3. Before storing, grains are properly dried to protect grains from option A, insect, option B, pest, option C, bacteria, and option D, all of the above. And your right answer is option D, all of the above. Practice makes perfect. Now students, it's practice time. Your questions are: question 1. What do you mean by animal husbandry? Question 2. Where are the sun-dried grains stored? I hope you will do the answers correctly. Thank you. See you soon in our next module.